Good morning. So it is 7:30 in the morning. So happy new year, guys. The first plant I'm going to show you, today is going to be a plant chore video. Okay, so this is Paphiopedilum, or a sleeper orchid. Put the full name here. I got this in April last year, so it has been a good 8 months. Flowered a grand total of one time. When I first got it, it had these two leaves which the flower spike actually came out from, and this smaller one as well. It was actually growing. It was much smaller then, and this one has a little bit of sunburn, and throughout the months it grew another smaller plantlet with these two leaves, so it's still growing. So what I want to do today is to repot this sleeper orchid. I'm going to show you in a while why I need to repot this. Let's get it out of the pot. I'll put a layer of sphagnum moss on top to keep it moist, because I tend to underwater these orchids. Yeah, look at this. This is totally root bound. In fact, it doesn't have much potting medium. It's still the original one. I can see there's a lot of lacquer, and also big pieces of perlite, as well as rocks. Oh wait, these are actually not perlite. These are actually pieces of styrofoam. Okay, interesting. So I'm going to remove all this. Oh, there are actually palmers as well. So this is interesting. The roots have grown around the potting medium instead of through them. So yeah, I'm going to loosen the roots before I give it a repot. Whoa, everything is coming out. Actually, I can recycle some of the potting medium. Oh, the tag is here. So you can actually see the name of this Paphiopedilum. So because it's sitting in this very rocky kind of potting medium, it dries out really fast. So I have to water this almost every day. Oh, actually, there's a new plantlet growing here as well, really small here. Look at these roots, really healthy. Oops, I just broke part of it. But it's okay, we still have plenty of roots to work with. Loosen this further. Okay, I'm going to recycle some of the pieces of, I think, rocks, or I'm not sure whether are these rocks or big pieces of pumice. I think they are rocks. There's some lacquer. So that's all I have. So I'm going to mix in some of the sphagnum moss as well to retain the moisture. To add some horticulture charcoal. This one, just a bit. So this is about 10 cm across. I'm not sure whether is it too big for it. Yeah, I think it should be okay. Yeah, I may need to augment this potting medium with something more. Smaller pieces of lacquer. And I'm going to add a little bit of my aeroid mix, which is really chunky. I actually wanted to buy a pre-mix for orchids, but the packaging is way too big. I don't need so much of it. So yeah, I've decided to mix it myself. I'm not sure whether it's this ideal, but it should be able to do the trick. Oh my goodness, I broke another root. Oh, I think it has started to rot. Can you see the black tip here? So I filled up the pot to about 1 cm from the base. Just going to put this in. Okay, we are done for this Paphiopedilum. It's in a bigger pot right now, so I got to make sure not to overwater this. I don't have to water this every day now, because it's a little bit more water retentive as I mix the sphagnum moss into the potting medium. So I really hope this will flower for me soon. So do subscribe to my channel to be updated on the progress of this little fella. I really like the spotted markings on this orchid. It's really beautiful even without the flower.